Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and in this video we're going to blame China.
China.
So, have you ever wondered why all of these years that you are advertising and that you are doing Facebook ads, February is a very good month? Well, it's time with our good friend Donald Trump to blame China for that. And the reason, guys, is very simple. The whole game about Facebook ads is a game of CPMs, okay? So the more people they advertise on the platform, the more we see that the CPMs are rising, which makes it super expensive for others. This is why in all of these past years, we have seen that people were having success with Facebook ads. So they were speaking about it and more people came, and what happened is that we are having bad results because more and more advertise. So you need to have more competitive numbers in order for you to be successful and actually make money. What is happening on February? February is the Chinese New Year. And as every global event, it's influencing Facebook ads. For example, in the first election with Donald Trump and Biden, since we mentioned Trump, we had a bad September because everybody was doing political ads, so the CPMs were rising, so it was a bad period. Now, in this year that we are going to have the elections, even if it's Trump or someone else, still it's going to be elections in the United States, so we're going to see a very bad month because we're going to have a lot of ads, so we're going to have higher CPMs. But the opposite thing is actually happening because of China on February. And this is the Chinese New Year. When the Chinese people are saying Chinese New Year, despite the fact that they're working the whole year non-stop in their factories and stuff, Chinese New Year means stop, full end. They don't do anything, they don't ship, they do nothing. What does this mean? That a lot of people, most of the people, that they are actually dependent to the China, either they need to have stock from before, and this is what normal business owners do. They order their stock before so that they are going to not have any problems during February. And there are some people that they cannot do that, and who are they? The drop shippers. The drop shippers have a huge issue. And I know that, and this is why I don't like to work with them, because most of them, they are closing their ads on February, which means that even if you have done a very good 6-month period with very good results, you have to close because you're not going to have any stock. In this period, we have so many people not advertising and so many people either slowing down because they don't have stock because they expect from China, or they slow down because they are dropshippers and they don't advertise because they cannot ship products. Even people don't take pre-orders because they're afraid not getting banned on their Facebook pages because of the shipping and all of that, because it's not that only the factories are closing, also the shipping, the post mail and all of that, they're going to stop working, which means that a lot of orders are piling up, which means that after that they need some time to recover in order to fulfill all of that. There are going to be most probably also this year some crazy pictures from these places which are showing a huge amount of packages and that they cannot make it work. All of this situation, it's influencing us heavily. This is why every February we're having good results. It's not that because of the month, it's because, okay, it's also Valentine's, but this doesn't influence so much because we have other periods also with promotions. Because of my friend Tracy, I have learned that there is another thing. I didn't know it, guys. It's called Galentine's. It's basically, it's for the girls that they have their own Valentine's. So Valentine's is for couples, but Galentine's is, I think it's 17th of February. It's for women. So you buy presents to your friends. I have never done a promotion for Galentine's, but I'm going to do this year with this brand. And yeah, that's the reason, guys, that we're getting good results in February. So if you're a normal business and all of that, just and you're not super dependent, or if you don't have stock, just order stock so that you're not going to have any issues, and do more ads, and most probably you're going to get rewarded because February is going to be a very good month. We have less people advertising, so we can go and spend more and have good results, or even if we stay on the same budget, we're going to have better ROAS. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, or my website. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.